Hey guys, it's McGann, and I'm going to show you some gifts to give all the great people that work with your kids throughout the year. Now, these I did do for the end of the year, but they work just as well at the beginning of the year too. Don't worry, these ideas will keep no matter when you want to use them. First up, I have these teacher plaques, and I'm going to go through a little slideshow here and show you the ones I did for the actual teachers that work with my daughter. And then for my kids' bus drivers, we made these really cute bus drivey ones. You'll probably notice that some things are blacked out. That's so you don't see the last names in school district, but they're both basically the same. Best, school district's name, school bus driver, and then the driver's name here at the bottom in the I Love Glitter font. I do have a tutorial in another video about how to find and install and use the I Love Glitter font in Design Space, so I should have a link popping up somewhere that you can click on that if you want to know. But then on the back, I just put my daughter's name, like Love Kyrie, but these chalkboards cost about $2 at Walmart plus tax, and then maybe one sheet of the Oracle 651 vinyl. So depending on where you get that, that's another $1 to $2. Then I actually got my epic fail from a different video to work. This is a new bag. I did not put anything on the back this time, but I just wanted to give our Girl Den leader for Cub Scouts something kind of extra special and extra nice because she really volunteered and insisted that the girls get to join in the early adopter program, and not a lot of people were willing to do that. So I got her like this insulated cooler bag. It's Ozark Trail brand from Walmart, so it wasn't very expensive, but it's a little nicer and a little bit more costly than the other gifts I've given. So she is our BSA angel, and I wanted to do something nice. So this is Miss Carla's Scout bag. And last thing I'm going to show you today are these coffee mugs that I did get from the Dollar Tree. So they were very, very economical. Sorry if anybody getting one of these is watching this and going, hey man, you didn't spend very much on this. But there was a good bit of effort in designing the cups, printing it, weeding it, and getting it to attach. And of course, without bubbles, because that's a whole other headache I've done in other videos. But our Girl Scout leader is going over to do, I think it's called Exploring with BSA. So I made her a BSA cup that has Miss Jamie on it. Our co-leader in Girl Scouts is really big on 4-H, and I knew she was going to be at the huge fair this summer, so I made Miss Katie a 4-H cup. And then my husband is doing wood badge training right now with BSA, so he kind of wanted to give a little something to everybody in his class, and their, I think it's called a totem or patrol maybe, is a beaver. So I made up these mugs that say Beaver Buddies, and you'll notice there's a B on that. That's not an initial. There's actually 7 cups for 6 students and 1 instructor, so it spells out beavers when they're all standing together. If you saw my tutorial on how to make these cups, then you already saw all about that. And then of course there's always the super cool class of whatever year option that you can put on basically anything. I have this one on a shirt for my son, and I know there are a lot of teachers who they get really attached to the kids over the years and they really love and appreciate a shirt. So this type of thing is also a really fun, cool gift idea for the kids that are graduating soon, or the teachers that have been connected to the kids that are graduating soon. And this was like a $4 Gildan shirt and maybe $1's worth of HTV vinyl from the Scissor or Sizer, whatever you call it. But you could also make like class of whatever year for almost any product you want. You could put it on cards, you could put it on drawstring backpacks, you could put it on shadow boxes, plastic containers, whatever you want. Just pick your design and figure out the right kind of vinyl that you need for that project. But long story short, these are all great and really economically affordable gift ideas for all the teachers, leaders, coaches, whatever that are in your kids' lives. Nothing that I've made here costs more than $6 per unit. Like I said, the cups were $1 plus some vinyl, the chalkboards are $2 plus the vinyl, then the insulated Ozark trail bags were $5, and then some HTV that I already had in spades. So I hope that's been helpful. I would love to hear your ideas for what you're giving to the people in your lives for little thank you gifts. And if you do make anything similar to what I've shown you here, show me. I'd love to see it. I love it. I really get excited when people are like, hey, you taught me how to do this. Look, I did it. It's like, yes, I did something right. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.